Today I'm going to show you how you can start an online business selling everyday products on TikTok Shop and how you can start making money online fast. And how I was able to make over $10,000 a month selling random products like this inside TikTok without making one single video myself. And how you can copy the 6 exact steps so you can start generating $5,000 to $10,000 a month selling everyday products on TikTok Shop. So you want to make sure you have a pen and paper and get ready to take notes. But before we get started, let's talk about what is TikTok Shop and how it works. Because the whole reason on why I started TikTok Shop is because I was looking for a business that would allow me to make 6 figures a year complete passive. A business that I could run from home so I could spend more time with my family and travel the world. Because what's great about selling products on TikTok is that to get started in this business, you don't need a lot of experience. You don't need that much startup capital. Matter of fact, you don't even need to shoot any of the videos yourself. Also, you don't need to store any of your inventory at home because there are warehouses that automatically handle all of the storing of your products, packing of your products, and shipping of your products, and they automatically connect with your TikTok seller account. All right, guys, first step, we're gonna go ahead and create a TikTok seller account. To create one, we're gonna go to seller.tiktok.com. Now, one thing, guys, I wanna point out is that to create a TikTok seller account, you don't need an LLC. You can start it simply with your personal information. All you're gonna do is you're gonna go to seller.tiktok.com, upload your personal information, your bank information, and you're ready to go. Also, what's great about having a seller TikTok account is that it's completely for free. You don't have to pay any monthly fee to become a TikTok seller. All right, guys, step number 2, we're gonna find a profitable product to sell on TikTok. Now, there are a couple strategies that I like to use to find products. Now, there are 2 main websites that I like to use to do product research for TikTok. One is called ShopPlus and the next one is called Fastmoz. These are TikTok analytic tools that are gonna show me which products are currently selling on TikTok and how much money they're making. It even organizes it by the best sellers. For example, today, the best seller on TikTok Shop was this detangling hairbrush, and it's made over $193,000 in sales today. Now, if I go to monthly, it'll show me which one was the top seller this month, and it was also this detangling hairbrush, and this month, it's made over $4.3 million in sales. Pretty crazy here. Now, we can use Fastmoz as well to show us which products are the best sellers on TikTok. Now, another strategy that I personally like to use is using the biggest e-commerce platform, Amazon, get data from Amazon, and then I see what products are selling great on Amazon and I'll simply resell them on TikTok. Now, Amazon actually has a section called Amazon Movers and Shakers. All you need to do is simply go to Google, click on Amazon Movers and Shakers, and what this is gonna do is it's gonna show me which products have exploded in popularity recently, and I'll simply see what's selling on Amazon and I'll resell it on TikTok. For example, this cosmetic bag that says "Love You Bestie" on it has increased in sales over 2,700%. That means that is really popular right now. So all I do is I'll simply go find a supplier for that product and I'll resell it on TikTok. But if you don't want to go that route, then you can simply just sell products that are hot right now on TikTok using shopplus.net. Step number 3, we're gonna find a supplier for our product for our TikTok shop. Now, for example, say we found this detangling hairbrush inside ShopPlus. We see that it's very popular and we want to sell it as well on TikTok. Well, first, what we're going to do is we're going to go and find a supplier. Now, there are 2 websites that I personally like to use to find suppliers for my TikTok store. The first one is called Wholesale Central and the other one is called Alibaba. So Wholesale Central is to help you find suppliers right here in the United States. For example, my product is in the health and beauty category. I'll simply click here and I'll start reaching out to suppliers right here in the USA. Now, great thing about working with suppliers in the USA is that the turnaround time on your products is a lot faster, which means you'll get products at your TikTok shop very, very quickly, usually within 2 to 3 weeks of contacting these suppliers. Now, I also recommend that you use Alibaba. Alibaba is a site that connects you with suppliers overseas. This is mostly for Chinese suppliers. Now, the great thing about working with Chinese suppliers is that you can get products for really, really cheap. For example, this detangling hairbrush, we can get it for only 60 cents per piece, and we can see that it's selling on TikTok Shop for $16. So great profit margin there. So remember this, guys, 2 main suppliers whenever you're looking for suppliers for your TikTok shop. First one, go to the site, Wholesale Central for suppliers right here in the United States, and the next one for overseas suppliers where you can get products for even cheaper. It's called Alibaba.com. Fourth step, what I recommend in the very beginning is that you buy just a small order from your supplier, usually about 100 pieces. What you're gonna do next though, is you're gonna ship those 100 pieces to what's called a third-party logistics warehouse, a 3PL, right here in the United States. So these are warehouses that are gonna handle all of the storing of your products, packing of your products, and shipping of your products to the customer. And yes, they automatically connect with your TikTok shop. Now, one thing that TikTok wants is that whenever you receive an order from inside your TikTok seller account, that your shipments go out after 2 days of receiving that order. This is why it's important to work with these warehouses that have experience with shipping out products on time. Also, this is the beautiful thing about selling products on TikTok is that everything is automated. Once these warehouses connect with your TikTok shop and your products start selling, these warehouses are gonna handle all of the heavy lifting. They're gonna handle all of the shipping of your products and even handle all of the returns from your customers. Step number 5, once your products are at the warehouse, you're gonna be ready to sell. This step is we're gonna find creators to make videos around your product. Now, what's great about selling products in TikTok is you can go to a section inside your TikTok seller account in the affiliate center side. You can click on find creators, and TikTok is gonna give you access to a list of all of the people that have signed up for the creator program. These are people that are willing to make videos for your products and help sell for you. Now, what's great about these people is that they're only getting paid on commissions. So if they don't generate you sales, they simply do not get paid. Now, to filter through these creators, all you're gonna do is simply come over here, it says filter by, and then we're gonna click on product category. Right now here, we're gonna simply look for creators that have experience on selling the type of product that I wanna sell on TikTok. Now, on my example, it's a beauty and personal care product. It's a detangable hairbrush. So I'll go ahead and I'll look for that particular category right here, beauty and personal care. Now I wanna make sure I only click on hair care and styling. Now it's gonna show me a list of all of the different influencers that have experience with selling my type of product. What's really important here, guys, is that you learn how to negotiate with these influencers. Typically, you want to pay anywhere between 3 to 10% commission on the sales that they generate you. Also, what's great about selling products in TikTok is that everything is done on the back end. Once you hit invite and they agree to a commission, then what that's going to happen is it's going to generate a link for them to use on their videos. Every sale they generate you to that link that goes to your product, they'll get a commission on, and TikTok automatically pays them on the back end. So everything is automated. Now, final step is we're gonna go ahead and start creating content with this influencer. Now, here's a hack. Shop Plus will actually show you which relevant videos or which videos have generated sales for that particular detangling hairbrush. For example, this video right here generated over $483,000 worth of sales for that brush. For example, this even shows you which exact video and which creator generated all those sales for that product. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna download this video, and I'll go ahead and I'll download all these videos that generated a lot of sales for the product. Then what I'll do is I'll send the videos to my creator, and then we'll use them as inspiration to make content that style, because we know that these types of videos have converted into sales. So I'll simply find an influencer, negotiate a commission, and then I'll give them a bunch of videos that I know convert so they can make videos just like it. Guys, it's very important to not only make videos that get a lot of views, but you have to make videos that convert into sales. Now, I hope you guys love that information. Now, what I need you to do is, if you liked it, just give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, if you would like to get a completely free training video that shows you more in depth how this business works and how I was able to generate over $300,000 this year alone with TikTok Shop, then all you need to do is simply click the link on the description of this video and you'll go right to it. The video is going to show you step by step just how everything works. Now, after the video, you will be able to apply to our program where we work with you one-on-one and we help you launch your first product on TikTok. So how you too can start making 5 to 10K a month with your online TikTok business. After you watch the video, you'll be able to apply and book a completely free Zoom call with myself or one of my team members. Now guys, if you really enjoyed this video, what I want you to do is simply comment a thumbs up. And if you have any questions that have to do with TikTok, please drop them on the comments below and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe because I'm gonna be talking about TikTok Shop more on this channel. Thank you, love you guys, and I'll see you on the next.